Hi folks, and welcome to this episode of the Potspoon Kitchen. In today's episode we are going to be making some rosemary garlic soft dinner rolls that are super soft, very flavorful and extra buttery. To make our garlic rosemary herb dinner rolls, we're going to start off by adding our lukewarm milk into a bowl. We're going to add our sugar, and we're going to mix our sugar. And while we are mixing the sugar, we're going to be pouring in our yeast. Leave this for 5 minutes for the yeast to wake up. Once the yeast is up and awakened, we're adding a teaspoon of granulated garlic, 1/4 cup of softened to melted butter, we're adding our flour to this, salt, amounts are going to be in the description box, and an optional 1 egg. We want these dinner rolls to be super soft. So as usual, if you are accustomed watching my channel, you would know that I would mix this until it's tacky. And then I'm going to roll it onto my countertop. So we're going to mix this until it's nice and smooth for about 8 minutes. So it's in a nice smooth ball, and we're going to add it to a bowl and let it rest for 45 minutes. The dough has risen. We are going to divide this into 15 dinner rolls. And we managed to get 14 at 60 grams. Let's add these to our baking dish. We're going to cover these up and allow them to rise for about 20 minutes. We're going to bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until they are nice and golden, which should take about 18 minutes. We're brushing these with a little bit of rosemary garlic butter that I made on the stove top, and I will leave a link in the description box. And here you have it, our soft rosemary garlic dinner rolls. If you have enjoyed making this recipe with me, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, share the video, help me to grow the channel, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell another friend, and I encourage you to watch some more of my recipe videos. See you in the next video.